What's up, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing, hanging out at the Renegade compound. As you can see here, we got the famous Big Rig Videos mobile over here, Chris Fiffie's car. We're going to show one little known fact about the Rebel Spray Wax. It can be used to help as a drying aid. I just washed his car for him. He's out here shooting a video for us, and we just washed it down. It looks great, but now it's wet. We want to get it dried off. So I'm going to use the Rebel Spray Wax. Just going to spray it on, real light. Not too crazy. Set this on the ground because we don't want to set it on the paint. Now we're just going to grab a nice dry towel, microfiber of course. We're just going to wipe this thing down. Now we're just going to flip to a clean side because now we've waxed it. We want to dry it off completely. Now if you look real closely, it dried up really nice. Took all the water off. We don't have any water spots, and it left a nice waxy finish. Check out Rebel Spray Wax on GoShineOn.com. Check out more of our how-to YouTube videos on youtube.com/Evan Steger Metal Polishing.
He does a good job. I like it.